Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a pleasure, always a pleasure to have you here. It's been a while and I hope you are doing great and I hope you've been doing great all the time. Today I want to show you how to make chapatis. I'm cooking chapatis and bean stew in my house today, and I just thought I should show you how I make my chapatis. So I won't do a lot of talking. I'll just show you the things that I will be using, and then the rest will be action. I'll let you see. So for my chapatis, I'll need a bowl. This is where I'll do the mixing, and then I need water. This is hot water. It's warm. I need it a bit hot, so I'll take it back to make it a bit hot. So I'll need hot water, not hot ile inachoma, not hot that burns you, but hot that you can handle. I'll need oil, I'll need salt, and I need flour, chapati flour, and finally I'll need a foil. You'll see what I'll do with the foil. And of course spoons. So I'll show you first. I like mixing the waters, the wet ingredients first before I mix the dry ingredients. I know there are people who start with the dry ingredients, then they go to the wet. Me, I start the other way. Wet. So by wet ingredients, I mean the oil and the water. So my water is okay. So this is something I've done for a while. So nikitu nishashika tu najua. Just follow. So I pour the water here. You see it's steaming. That's enough. If it's not enough, I'll add later. This is oil. Nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Nakuinua. I just listened to that song. Imekwama kwa akili, so don't mind. And I like singing when I'm cooking. It makes you, gives you the mood, puts you in the mood to just, cooking is work. So when you sing, it puts you in the mood. So this is salt, generous amount so that it tastes in the chapatis. Tupike kile chapati mabot ndio inaitwa kwa Kiswahili. And a little sugar, just a little, not a lot, just a little. I don't even know why I put sugar. I don't know. I think maybe they taught me how to chapati put in sugar. Just a little. You stir. Then I will take this flour that remains the other time we cooked, and I don't like wastage, so I'll just do this. I sieve my flour. I sieve my flour because just to remove any there's anything debris. I don't know if it is debris. You see. Let me show you. I don't know. Can you see? Yeah, that's why I remove. I do that. I save my flour. That's not enough. Let's take another one. Ajam. Yeah, I use Ajam. I like it. You can use another brand. It doesn't have to be Ajam, but me, I love Ajam. There's nothing special about me using it, just that I like it. I like how my chapatis come out when I use Ajam. compared to others. And for mandazis, by the way, I use a different one for mandazis. I tried Ajab for mandazis, it didn't work for me, so I use, for mandazis I use something else, but for chapatis I use Ajab. There's nothing special about sieving, just to remove anything yenye sipendi. Maybe kulikuwa na unga yenye imeshikana, maybe unga that ilipata maji or moisture, and then I don't know, just like sieving. You can Google it, maybe there is a reason for sieving. You see, like those ones, yeah, that's why I sieve. It's not enough, but I'll just nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Woi, what have I done? Nakuinua, nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Nakuinua, nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Oh, nakuinua, nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Nakuinua, nakuinua Yesu, nakuinua, hakuna mwingine. Boy, I don't own the rights to that music. Hey, I just love it. I just love how that gospel minister worshipped God. It's almost. So let's concentrate here, not on my face. Here. Yes, so you see it like that. Don't concentrate on my face. At this point now, I will use my hands. Now make sure your hands are clean. Me, I already washed my hands. Before you start cooking, wash your hands, because most of the time you'll be using your hands to handle food. So just make sure your hands are clean. Mine are clean. I already washed them. So at this point, I will just continue with my hand. But before then, I'll take a little flour. Then now, using my hand, I will knead it. Add some more. Just use your eyes to measure, to know the amount of flour that you need to add on your mixture. this point, see, it's not hard and it's not soft. But it's still sticking to my hands, and I don't want my chapatis to be hard. So I will not add flour from now on. I will add oil so that the flour will still be soft. I'll just be adding oil a little by little, until I get the consistency that I want. See the difference now? It is still soft, but at least it's not sticking so much to my hands. So here I put just a little, kabisa. Then once it reaches this, that it's not now it's not sticking to my hands. Iko sawa, but bado si sana. I will put it aside. Get a clean plate. Remove all these things. Put them aside somewhere. This place I already wiped it, so it is not dirty. Then I just put some little flour like this. I get this one, put it here. Then I start kneading. Now this is what you call kneading. Kneading helps in making your chapati soft. The chapatis become so soft. When your hands are, I feel your hands are, I'm putting the flour just to ensure that it doesn't stick here. But make sure you don't add too much. If you add too much, you might end up with very hard chapatis. So I always like doing this. For some reason it makes my chapatis soft. I don't know. Maybe it's just a belief. But for some reason when I do this, the dough becomes soft. It's softening very fast. It's a form of kneading. It is very soft. You see? It's almost. And now it's not even sticking here. I've not put any more flour and it's not sticking. Meaning it is almost. You see? It's almost. I think now iko sawa. Now it's okay. Imetosha. Remove this. I'm just creating space. I don't have much space. I'm just creating space. You're wondering what I will do now. I need to wash my hands because I've touched nothing. When I do that, some people like leaving their dough the way it is to rest for 30 minutes. But me, this is how I do mine. Because I don't want to handle this dough a lot, like I let it rest, then I roll, then again I will let it rest. I don't have all that time. But if you have time, you can leave it rest for 30 minutes. Then you go to the next step, which I'll show you. But me, I'll just do it immediately because of time. I don't want supper to reach. I have children. I don't want supper to reach and then they start crying, "Oh, mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, we need food." "Oh, mommy, I'm hungry. Oh, mommy, I need food." No. Here again, I put oil at this point, but not much, just a little. This oil is what ensures that one, your chapati is soft, and two, your chapati comes out. Sorry guys, I realized my camera stopped. I don't know why. So you roll. Just roll like this. I hope you saw the other step. I don't know where my camera stopped, but I just after kuwekelea hapa, like rolling it into one big chapati, that is when I decided to cut. I hope you saw that, because I don't know, I just realized now